My name is Darryl Baynes. I am the president and founder of MAEA, Interactive Science Programs. We are the largest science and math outreach company in the nation, owned and operated by African Americans. And we travel around the country doing science programs to show people how much fun math and science can be. So I'm very encouraged to come to a program like this where we are dedicated to getting our young people, especially our women, interested in math, science, and technology. And technology and science are going on all around us. While we're sitting here talking, there's a sunspotter sitting outside, and I've seen young ladies walk by and look at it, and this little mechanism outside is casting shadows on the paper from sunspots. Science is going on all around us, and we need to get our young people interested. The more science and math they take, the more money they can make in the future, and nothing is impossible for our kids. How many people out there believe that nothing is impossible?
I believe nothing is impossible.
Well, tell them, who are you?
I'm Electra. It's nice to meet you. Hello, everybody. Can I help you show everyone that nothing is impossible?
Well, you sure can. What can we use?
Let's use some liquid nitrogen.
Liquid nitrogen. I have some liquid nitrogen right here. I just happen to have some, you know, brother carried around with me. Would you like to see some liquid nitrogen, Electra?
Okay.
Okay, let's pour some out. First of all, how cold is liquid nitrogen?
I know the answer.
What's the answer, honey?
Liquid nitrogen is 196 degrees below zero. Whoa!
196 degrees below zero. That means this stuff is 196 degrees colder than ice in your refrigerator. So I'm gonna pour some out.
Pour the liquid nitrogen out so I can see it.
Oh, don't rush me, honey.
Okay.
All right. Now, how many people saw the movie Terminator 2? On the movie Terminator 2, at the end of the movie, the T-1000 gets liquid nitrogen poured on him and he freezes solid. Electra, what do you think would happen if you touched liquid nitrogen?
Wow, it looks really cold.
Yeah, it does. So, what do you think would happen if you touched it?
I think my hand would freeze.
You want to try it?
Okay.
Okay. Put it in there. How's that?
Wow, that's really cold. Does anyone out there want to try it?
Anybody else brave enough to try? I want you to, come on, honey.
Don't be shy.
Lakeisha? Keisha, come on, buddy. Now let me ask you this. This is 196 degrees below zero. Do you think your hand would freeze if you put it in there?
Maybe.
You think? All right, how about this? How many people think Keisha's hand would freeze in liquid nitrogen? Okay, how many people want to see Keisha's hand freeze in liquid nitrogen? Now, this is what I want you to do. Put your hand like this, and on the count of three, you're going to put it in and out real quick, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, wait a minute, is this the hand you write with?
No.
No? Okay, then we're not going to worry about it. All right? Don't worry about it. On the count of three, you put it in your room. 1, 2, wait a minute, do you have insurance? I'm just trying to make sure you're straight. You know what? You're not my child. I'm not going to worry about it. All right. On the count of three, put it in and out real quick. 1, 2, 3. Keisha put her hand in and out of liquid nitrogen. Her hand is not frozen, not even wet. Because our bodies are so warm, as soon as you touch it, it turns to a gas. Nothing is impossible. The right information and the right knowledge. This is just a quick example that Keisha showed us. Nothing is impossible. Thank you, dear. I know, isn't she great? How about this? Electra, have you ever touched a cloud in the sky?
No, I've never touched a cloud.
Well, would you like to try it?
Okay.
She's easy to get along with, unlike some of us. But anyway. Well, I'm going to take this bucket of water, and I'm going to pour some liquid nitrogen over. How's that?
Wow, that's really cold too. Does anyone else want to touch a cloud?
Anybody? Oh, come on. Come on. Just saying. Now I want you to notice, for those who touched that, our clouds are very cold. When you look up in the sky, clouds are very cold. A cloud is an example of condensation, when gas turns into a liquid. Most people think a cloud is a gas. It is not. A cloud is a liquid. The average cloud weighs between 2 and 3 tons. Most people think it'd be impossible to touch a cloud. Nothing is impossible with the right information and the right knowledge. Nothing. And that's one of the big things that we want to get our kids to understand. Nothing is impossible. And while I was sitting here waiting, I saw all of the food in the back, and some of the choir got a chance to eat before they sang, and they sang beautifully, so they deserved it. And it made me a little hungry. Electra, are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
What would you like to eat, honey?
How about marshmallows?
I have marshmallows right here. You want a hot marshmallow or a cold marshmallow? What you want, baby?
I want a cold marshmallow.
She wants a cold marshmallow. I'm gonna hook her up. I have some liquid nitrogen here. I'm gonna put a few marshmallows in. Now we have our marshmallows and liquid nitrogen. Electra, you want to eat your marshmallow?
I can't eat it right now. Would someone like to eat it for me?
Somebody want to eat the marshmallow for? Come on, bruh. Come on. Come on, dog. You put your hand up. Come on. Come on. Now look. Check it out, partner. I'm going to eat one first to show you how to do it, and then you try it, okay? I'm going to take my marshmallow.
Do you have insurance?
I have insurance, yeah.
Okay.
There you go. All the way in. All the way. All the way in. Blow the smoke out. You go, boy. You can sit down. I have a couple left. Anybody else brave enough to try? I knew it would be you. I knew it would be you. All the way in. Okay, wait, let me put some more. You want one? Okay, honey, I'm gonna hook you up. This is what's going on. Our marshmallows are 196 degrees below zero. Their mouth is warm. As soon as you put the marshmallow in, smoke comes out. As their mouth warms it up, it tastes like Lucky Charms cereal. Okay, grab it out yourself. Gotta move quick. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, there you go. There you go. Go ahead, go on and sit down. Benita, you want to try one? Why not? Come on.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Right in. Just leave it in there. Leave it in there. Your mouth will warm it up. Now, these are just little examples of how we interact with students with science. Imagine how excited they can get from science. Imagine how excited. There's no one thing, no limit to our kids' potential. No limit. And thank you, Electra, for helping me out. You want to talk to the people?
Nothing is impossible.
That's right. Tell them about it.
Nothing is impossible, especially here at Bennett College.
You tell them. You go, girl.